how to make a resume for internship.
I tell you some steps to follow when making a resume for an internship. First,
Okay, sir.
start with your contact information. Your name, phone number, email address and location. And second is write a brief objective statement. State which type of internship you are seeking and what your career goals are. Third is list your education. Include your current or most recent degree, the name of the school and your graduation date. Fourth is highlight your relevant experience. Focus on internships, position, volunteer work, or any other experience that related to the internship you are applying for. Fifth is include any relevant skills, technical skills, language proficiency, software or tools you are proficient in, etc. Sixth is list your achievements. Include any academic awards, publications, research projects, or relevant coursework that showcase your abilities and accomplishment.
Yes, sir, I understood. Sir, can you answer some of my questions?
Yes, why not?
Sir, what should be the format of a resume for an internship?
The most common format for a resume is a chronological format, which highlights your work experience and education in reverse chronological order. However, if you have limited experience, you can use a functional format which emphasizes your skills and achievements.
How long should a resume for an internship be?
Generally, a resume for an internship should be 1 or 2 pages in length. Focus on highlighting the most relevant and important information to keep it concise.
What information should I include in my objective statement?
Your objective statement should be a brief 1 or 2 sentence description of your career goals and the type of internship you are seeking. It should also align with the requirements and responsibilities outlined in the job description.
Is it necessary to include reference on a resume for an internship?
No, it is not necessary to include reference on a resume for an internship. However, you should be prepared to provide reference if requested during the interview process.
Okay, how can I make my resume stand out for an internship?
Customize your resume to the specific internship you are applying for. Highlight your achievements and accomplishments and use keywords for the job description to showcase your relevance and qualification. Additionally, keep your resume concise and professional and prepare it carefully for errors.
Thanks, sir, for helping me.
You're welcome. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel.